Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. This video explains why the watermelon shake is the ultimate summer drink. You will learn its hydration benefits, essential nutrients, and how to make the perfect icy shake. Prep work is easy. Simply cut a melon into small cubes that will fit easily into your blender, spread them out on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, and freeze until solid. Once frozen, transfer the cubes to a freezer bag for easy storage. Pro tip: getting the perfect thick and smooth texture. The blending process requires a little technique to achieve the perfect consistency, ensuring a smooth result rather than a chunky slush. Start by adding your small amount of liquid, water or lime juice to the blender first. This ensures proper blade movement from the beginning. Next, add the frozen watermelon cubes and the ice cubes. Blend on a low setting initially, allowing the blades to chop the larger frozen pieces. You will likely need to stop the blender once or twice to scrape down the sides using a rubber spatula. This encourages the stubborn frozen chunks never to fall closer to the blades. Increase the blending speed gradually. The shake is ready when it flows smoothly like a thick milkshake and no visible chunks of ice or fruit remain. Serve immediately in a tall, frosty glass. Next level watermelon shakes, fun customizations and flavor boosts. Once you master the basic recipe, you can start experimenting with simple additions to suit your mood or dietary needs. These customizations keep the watermelon shake exciting and prevent flavor fatigue throughout the summer months. You can easily shift the profile from pure sweet refreshment to something tangy, creamy, or nutrient-dense. Adding a tangy punch, best ingredients to pair with watermelon. Watermelon's dominant sweetness pairs beautifully with sharp, acidic, or herbal flavors. These additions cut through the melon's sugary notes, creating a brighter, more complex experience without adding significant calories. Consider fresh mint leaves. A few leaves added before blending provide an incredible, instant cooling effect and aromatic lift. Lime or lemon juice. A generous squeeze of citrus juice adds acidity, intensifying the overall fresh flavor. A tiny slice of fresh ginger, for a subtle spicy kick. Ginger works surprisingly well. Be careful, a little goes a long way. Trying ingredients like mint or lime drastically changes the drinking experience from a simple fruit slush to a refined summer cocktail, alcohol optional. Making it creamy, turning your shake into a true treat. Sometimes you want something richer that feels more like a traditional milkshake. Adding a creamy element certainly boosts the shake factor, resulting in a velvety drink that tastes decadent. Be aware that these additions increase the calorie count, but they are great for an occasional indulgence. Options for increasing richness include frozen yogurt or vanilla ice cream. A single scoop blended in adds instant dairy richness and classic sweetness. Coconut milk, using canned, full-fat coconut milk as the blending liquid instead of water lends powerful creaminess and a tropical flavor note. Almond milk or oat milk. These plant-based milks provide a smoother texture than water but keep the calorie count much lower than ice cream. Health enhancements, boosting your shake with superfoods. For those who view their morning shake as a nutritional power source, it is incredibly easy to sneak in functional ingredients without altering the original flavor profile significantly. Try chia seeds. A tablespoon of chia seeds adds fiber and healthy omega-3 fatty acids. Since they swell and soften in liquid, they blend effortlessly and thicken the shake slightly. Protein powder. An unflavored or vanilla-flavored scoop of whey or plant-based protein powder transforms your shake into a post-workout recovery drink. Spinach. A handful of fresh spinach disappears completely into the red color of the watermelon, adding iron and vitamins without detectable flavor. Making a watermelon shake is simple, affordable, and highly rewarding. The ease of preparation, combined with the pure hydration and natural sweetness of the melon, makes this drink a true summer staple. Whether you stick with the simple, icy version or customize it with mint and lime, this recipe guarantees instant relief from the heat. Don't wait for the next heat wave. Try blending up a refreshing watermelon shake today. Share your favorite secret ingredient for customizing your perfect cool-down drink with us in this video. Stay tuned for part 2. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.